guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a clean with me. This is going to be my guest room clean with me. So I'm strictly going to be keeping to this room and showing you guys what I do to really deep clean this room. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking all of the sheets off the bed. This is my niece and nephew's room and they sleep on this bed the most. So I do like to deep clean it every so often just because little kids are such a breeding zone for all the germs, so I do like to get all the sheets washed. As you can see, I make this easier on myself and just kind of throw this over the ledge so that I don't have to carry everything down. I know, hashtag lazy. But I'm just going to use these little beads that I found at Target. I've heard a lot of good things about it. It makes your clothes and laundry smell so good. So I'm just going to start that before I head back upstairs to continue with the deep clean process. I am getting a new mattress, so I am going to need to take the current mattress off of the bed upstairs, which was such a struggle, you guys. This literally took me like 30 minutes to get this dang thing out of the room, but I did it and I felt so accomplished after. My new mattress is from Helix. They were nice enough to send this over and partner up with me for this video, so thank you guys so much. If you have never heard of Helix, they are a mattress company where you can go on and totally customize what mattress is best for you. It just gets delivered to your door. You can put it right on your bed and you're pretty much done. They do include this little booklet that tells you everything you need to know about the mattress, which is very, very helpful. They make it very easy for you to find out what mattress is best for you. So all you do is go to the Helix website, which I will leave in the description box down below, with my discount code, which is Molly75. It gets you guys $75 off. So once you hit the sleep quiz, it just goes through and asks you a few easy questions. This takes less than like 2 minutes. And it really just gets an idea of what type of bed you want. I feel like this is the struggle with so many other mattresses. I don't understand how there can just be one mattress for pretty much everyone. I feel like depending on people's needs, there needs to be different mattress options. So this is really nice. It asks you if you're a back sleeper, side sleeper, or stomach sleeper, which is also really big as well, to depend on what kind of mattress you need. So once you're done with the quiz, all you do is hit next and it will go ahead and generate your results. So the results that I got were the Sunset. I actually went ahead and went with the Moonlight, which is still a soft feel mattress, but the only difference is that it does have all body contouring instead of side sleeper contouring, just because my niece and nephew are going to be sleeping on the mattress the most, so I wanted to make sure it would be something that they would like as well, because they literally toss and turn all night. The setup of this mattress is extremely easy. There's 4 simple steps. All you have to do is obviously take it out of the box and then unroll the mattress. It did say that there's a plastic tab to unroll your mattress, and honestly, I didn't really see this, or I just didn't pay attention, so I tried to use scissors to cut the plastic, which still ended up working, but I feel like if I paid more attention and actually read directions, it would have been a little easier for me. But once I finally get the plastic off, you just go ahead and lay it on the bed, and then you use scissors to remove the remaining plastic. It's really, really awesome and interesting because as soon as you cut the plastic and air gets into the mattress starts instantly filling up with air. You can hear it. It almost sounds like an air mattress or something. It does say that it only takes 30 to 45 minutes to unwind and fully expand, and then you can go ahead and lay on it and sleep on it like a little baby because this thing is so comfortable. My niece and nephew have slept on this mattress, and I actually have went up there and laid on it, and this thing is so comfortable, you guys. I am kind of sad that it's not in my room, but the kids woke up when they spent the night and they came downstairs and they said that they absolutely love the new mattress, so I'm very happy that they like it. As you can see, that pretty much filled up instantly. It went from being super thin to just instantly getting big. So you can see how fast that happened. It's really nice that you don't have to wait like a day or more for it to completely fill up. It's nice that you only have to wait 30 to 45 minutes and then you can use it. They do also have a 100-night sleep trial, so you can try out the mattress for 100 days, and if you don't like it, you get free removal and a refund, which is absolutely amazing. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a Helix mattress, my discount code will be in the description box down below, along with the link to Helix's website. While I'm waiting for my sheets to wash, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my little robot vacuum, which is a complete and utter lifesaver, especially for when you're feeling a little lazy and you just kind of want the robot vacuum to do some work. So I turn that on, so while I am cleaning, it just kind of picks up any of the dirt or anything that's on the carpet. While that's doing its job, I'm going to go back into the room to start disinfecting the room. The first thing that I do is get my little duster and I remove any dust. I feel like on black furniture it's the worst because you can see the dust the most. So I do that first, and then once I'm done, I'm going to grab my disinfecting wipes. I just get these in bulk at Costco or Sam's because I usually go through a lot of them. These are super easy and convenient when you're wanting something quick and something that is going to disinfect. Like I said, little kids are usually breeding zones for different sicknesses, so I just like to wipe everything down. And plus, I feel like for me, I'm around a lot of people a day too, so I just want to make sure I am not leaving germs everywhere, and I don't do this often as I want to or need to, but I definitely need to get in a habit, especially with the flu season upon us. So I'm just gonna let you guys jam out to the music. I'm gonna shut my mouth for a little while because I'm going to be doing the same exact thing on their little cubby area, just organizing and disinfecting, and also on the two side tables next to the bed. So I will come back once I'm done doing all of that. Once I'm done wiping down those surfaces with the disinfecting wipes, I am actually just going to take my vacuum and run over all the carpets in here, just because the robot vacuum does a decent job, but the vacuum definitely does a better job at picking everything up and getting into all of the spaces. Once we are done disinfecting and a couple hours later, these sheets are finally done, so I'm just going to put them back onto the mattress. Pretty self-explanatory. I do need to get a mattress cover. That is one thing I need to put on my to-do list because I do not have one yet for this mattress. I want to get a waterproof one, obviously for my niece and nephew if there is any accidents, and just in general, I feel like it's really good to have a waterproof mattress cover. I I feel like this is always a debate, and I would love for you guys to let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys sleep with a second sheet, or do you guys just put on the mattress cover or the first sheet, the fitted sheet, and then put a comforter over? I would love to know. I'm honestly really curious because I feel like this is a huge debate, and I kind of want to see what your guys' opinions are on it, or what you guys do. Obviously, as you can see, I use a second sheet. I feel like I would feel so weird with that one, but I know a lot of people don't like the second sheet, so please leave your answer in the comments down below. Once I get all of the sheets back on, I wait about another hour for the comforter to dry. It is nighttime outside, and I finally can finish the room. Once I put my millions of pillows onto my bed, I am finally done with my deep clean of this room. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.